All right, I am unboxing this SmartMag Magnetometer. It comes in gradient mode because I got two sensors. It's made by a Geo device, and it comes with this Pelican case, really nice. I put in this reflective stickers on multiple faces, so when there's it's needed. Also comes with a few stickers that I put here. So pretty nice. Also comes with this compartment for a business card, and I put it in there, and it's really nice. So let's open this. Wow, this is the sensor, the data logger. Really nice, very lightweight, beautiful, extremely small, about the size of my hand. The connectors are really nice. This must be the charger, battery charger. Yep, right there. Wow, even the casing is pretty nice. The padding, really nice. This is the second one. Oh no, this is the battery for the data logger. Very nice, very lightweight too. Very nicely packed. Like that. This is one of the sensors. Beautifully made. Very lightweight. Wow. That's the cable with it. Comes with it. This is the GPS. Yeah, that's the GPS cable. Here. That's the little tripod. Very lightweight. This is data download cable with a USB stick, micro USB stick. These guys really know what they're doing. Wow. Everything is super high quality. Manual. And this is, okay, that must fix the tripod for the base station. Definitely. All non-magnetic, of course. Wow. Well, that's box number one. There's another box, bigger box, that we have to look at. And then there is these pieces, parts, rods that connect for the base station. It can be assembled that way. Yeah. Very nicely packed. Everything in one box. All right. Well, this is the second box. It's really nice. I put this reflective tape so you can have better visibility. Let's open it. All right, so opening this, opening this, and again, amazing. That's the bracket for the sensor or the data logger. This is second sensor, definitely. This, oh, this is nice. It's pretty hard. Doesn't bend. That's good. Needs stability. And wow, this is the console. This console is amazing. Wow. It has keypads on both sides. So left-handed people can also work with it. And right-handed people. Connectors, beautiful. Wow. This is so light. It's amazing. Amazing. Nice green. Wow. There's the cable. All the cables. Yep. Hardness. Beautiful. This is the hardness. Yeah. Oh, wow. You can fix the hardness. Nice. RAM. Base. No, the bracket. Yep. That's the another GPS antenna. This is the battery. Yeah. The charger. Gotta be the charger for the battery. Right then. Wow. I'm impressed. This is a beautifully crafted, made magnetometer that I can use with a base station or as a gradiometer. Well done.